Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn that how you can make the list of names and their contact numbers in your system, and then you can transfer it in your mobile phone so that you can make the groups on WhatsApp. So for this, what we will do, first we create one Excel file and we make some sorry. First we create Excel file and make some names list. Suppose we have taken first name, suppose it is my first name, and here contact number we have taken these two things, and it is, suppose I giving here demo name 1 and demo name 2, demo name 2. Two names we have given, just we have considered here two name, demo 1 and demo name 2, and we can give any number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, suppose, and again here some number we have given. So this number, two numbers I am taking for demo purpose. Okay, just do this thing. This is the list of numbers, and after that what you have to go, you have to log in with your Gmail account. Here I have already login with my Gmail account. That Gmail account must be login in your system, in your WhatsApp also, or in your mobile phone. You must log in with the same number. It is compulsory. Means in your mobile you must log in with the same Gmail account. So the same Gmail account I am opening here. First what you have to do, you have to come here in Google Apps, and after that you have to come here on contacts. In contacts, what you have to do, so first what you have to do, you have to create contact, or you can click here create multiple contact also here, or just you can click here contact, and we have given here demo name, and here you have to put some number. I have given some number, and now what you have to do, you have to click on save here, and from here you have to click on export. From this three dot you have to click on export. Here you have to choose Google CSV and click on export. You will see that one file is being loaded here. Click on loaded file, open it. Here is your contact one. You can double click here. Now you will see the list here. It is coming like this. Fine. Now what you have to do in this list, you have to put your list of numbers. So your first name, this two name is there. So we will copy it from my Excel file, and the new list in contact we have to put here in name. We can put these two names. Clear? And after that you have to choose the contact number. In this way, copy this, and again in the list you will move forward. Here it will show you contact numbers. Okay, here you can put that contact number. Got it? And here you can make it my contacts in the same way. Just you can copy paste here, same thing. What my contacts is there, in the same way you can put here my contacts. And after that you have to save it. You have to save. After saving, what you have to do, again you have to come here, and here you will import this file. Import and select file, the same file what you have saved. I think it is this one. It will be remained in, I have saved the same file in download. So just you will click here and you will open it and click on import. You will see both the names is showing on your screen with its mobile number. Very fine. So after this, you can check your mobile phone. So for this, just we are checking my mobile phones. We are clicking on mobile. Here my mobile phone is there, and now I'm checking my mobile phone that it has come or not. In my list, just we are opening, it is showing me demo 1 or not. Demo here she see it is coming your demo name 1 and demo name 2 on your mobile phone number also. So it is very easy, you can also do it. So I hope that you have liked this, and thus you can make the list of numbers you can transfer from your system into your mobile phone numbers, and after that you can make the group in WhatsApp or wherever you want to make it use. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, then please like and share me. Thank you for watching.